This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. 2 ammonia geothermal heat pumps to provide 8 megawatts of district heating to more than 6,000 homes in Hamburg, by J. O. Haraldson. Published July 21st, 2025. Weska Kälteanlagen, a German industrial refrigeration and heat pump manufacturer, is constructing an 8 megawatt 2,275-ton refrigeration ammonia geothermal heat pump to supply district heating to more than 6,000 households in the Wilhelmsburg district of Hamburg. The project, designed by Hamburg Energy Geothermal, Hamburg Energy Geothermie, a subsidiary of Hamburg Energy Utility, Hamburger Energiewerke, taps into a 48 degrees Celsius, 118.4 degrees Fahrenheit, geothermal reservoir located 1,300 meters, 4,265 feet, below the surface of Wilhelmsburg. The utility has already completed groundwater circulation testing and is laying a pipeline to connect the district to the heat pump system. "We want to make the most of our geothermal heat," said Thomas Tim Savicka, head of engineering at Hamburger Energiewerke. "That's why our engineers in Weska have designed a highly efficient and technologically unique heat pump system." The design. The custom-built system consists of 2 4-stage ammonia heat pumps, which raise the 48 degrees Celsius pumped geothermal water to the required 75 to 85 degrees Celsius, 167 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, temperature for the district heating network. Each heat pump contains 3 circuits, with an ammonia charge of 400 kilograms in 2 of the circuits and 1,800 kilograms in the other, Jörg Fuhrmann, Weska's managing director, told naturalrefrigerants.com. Each of the 4 stages lifts the temperature by 4 to 5 K, according to Fuhrmann. Thanks to the planned multi-stage heat pump process, the usable thermal energy, and thus the number of households supplied, can be increased from an originally calculated 4,700 to over 6,000, Hamburg Energy Geothermal said. Expected efficiency: the system will operate with a COP of up to 4.5, according to Weska. With the geothermal energy compressed in a 4-stage process, we need comparatively little electricity to reach the required temperature level for district heating, Savicka said. Similar installations, heat pumps for district heating, continue to gain popularity in Europe, with several utilities opting for ammonia systems. A 27 megawatt, 7,677 tons of refrigeration. Ammonia-based system, comprised of 4 Johnson Controls Sabro brand Heike HP heat pumps, provides heating for 20,000 households in Utrecht, the Netherlands, using heat from a wastewater treatment plant. 4 Gaia heat pumps with Grasso LXHP screw compressors provide 24 megawatts, 6,824 tons of refrigeration, of district heating in Tallinn, Estonia, using recovered heat from a biomass incinerator at a combined heat and power plant. A 2-stage ammonia heat pump from Sabro provides 700 kilowatts, 199 tons of refrigeration, of district heating to up to 800 households in Neustadt in Holstein, Germany, with the Baltic Sea as a heat source. Quotable. For Weska, the geothermal heat pump project represents a benchmark in performance and application, setting technology and efficiency standards, Fuhrmann said. He added that manufacturing large heat pumps represents a new business area for the company,